Assalamu alaikum students, this is Najma Khan here welcoming you to the new session, and I'm your English teacher. I'm going to teach you, no, in fact I'm going to tell you a story from your reader, Akbar and the Crows. Okay, let's get into the story. Akbar was a great Mughal emperor and Birbal was his witty minister. One day Akbar was taking a walk in his garden with Birbal. It was a fine summer day. Many crows were flying over a pond in the garden. As Akbar observed the crows flying, he thought of asking Birbal a tricky question. He asked, "How many crows are in our city, Birbal?" Birbal thought for a while and then he replied, "There are 97,14,126 crows in our city, Your Majesty." Then Akbar asked, "How do you know that for sure?" Birbal replied, "You can get the count, my lord." Then Akbar again asked, "What if less than that?" Birbal replied immediately, "That means some crows from our city went to visit their relatives in other cities, Your Highness." "And what if there are more crows?" Akbar asked. Without hesitating, Birbal replied, "If there are more crows, that means some crows have come to visit our city from other neighboring cities." So students, have you seen? There is always an answer for everything if you think with ease. Now time for assignment. Yes, you are going to read the story thoroughly and then write a paragraph on the character Akbar as it is described in the story and then send it to me on this given email address. Thank you.